This video is brought to you by the Double Mint Lounge. Visit Double Mint Lounge on Clubhouse for daily interested, informative, and entertaining conversations. Also, are you hosting a party but don't know how to plan it? Let Miley Events plan it for you. All the links are in the comment section below.
When your money done, got a God. Your husband gone, got a God. Your boyfriend gone, got a God. Don't know what to do, got a God. And your rent is due, got a God. Your girlfriend gone, got a God. Masicka, God.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Today, the Monday, I want to start off the vlog that we there. Cause guess what?
She ain't got a money. She ain't got a hearing. Masicka, boy. Masicka,
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
The other day, we saw this video circulating on the internet indicating that Skeng bought his mom a new car. However, some people did still a speculator say, yo, oh, we sure see a Skeng mother that. Oh, we sure is not a fan or anything like that. Well, people, we have a video to end all speculation. People, take a look.
A simple thing, man, catch on, man. Yo. I say bad moms.
Well, that video showed us two things. Skeng bought his mom a car, and Skeng mom is a teacher. Stars Masicka and Bounty Killer called out Molly users in a comment under a post that the star made. Masicka commented and said, "Anybody pop Molly, a crackhead naturally." The Ground Godzilla Bounty Killer later on replied to Masicka comment and said, "Straight up bro, some dopey dolly about Molly." I am not going to point any fingers, but there is a particular artist, dancehall artist that is, that they are speculating that is taking Molly. So everybody in the comment section, I point towards that artist. Anyway, I'm not going to call the artist name. Just leave it in the comment section below. Because me personally, don't feel like say the artist I take Molly. I feel like say the artist just enjoy himself. But definitely, the dancehall artists them can tone down upon the Molly lyrics them. Only can sing some bag of things and not have to talk about Molly. Just like the chopper thing. People am tired of it. You see me? So after a lot of vloggers, run with this story that I just presented to you, I guess Masicka never like that. I don't know where Masicka never like, but probably a particular vlogger says something where Masicka never like. And Masicka took it to his Instagram story and said this: "Big up the real vloggers. Somehow no vlogger boy love mix up. So no matter, go get a real job." As much as how some of my co-workers them really go on with Shaggy, and sometimes them over exaggerate on some things, Masicka, the man them have a real job still. Vlogging is definitely a real job, and if you know about it, it pays well. Then again, me get where Masicka say, because him start off by saying big up to the real vloggers. So I guess the fake vloggers them figure no matter. Anyway, people, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and we're moving on. And definitely me I don't want a fake one, so I know me you attack. I'm a fact, I'm not a vlogger, I'm a YouTuber.
Three girl a f***ing a me, yo, somebody can't save me. Me never born rich, me born crazy. Two giant that style they want gravy.
Reggae superstar Jacure files appeal. Reggae singer Jacure's legal team has now filed an appeal to have his conviction on attempted manslaughter charge overturned. The Netherlands Prosecution Service is confirming. So people, wanna let me know what you think about that. Me look in the comment section and a lot of people I sympathize with the reggae superstar, but then a lot of people I laugh. Let me read this comment. Cure again, come to give you more again. And them have a bugger, you know, laugh face, laugh face, laugh face. This other person commented, don't ball to me. And you're supposed to know what come after. Ball to Jesus. You gotta learn. And a bugger cry face. I don't know if that is a joke or what. But all the best to the world singer Jacure. On the last video that I did, if you don't watch that video to the end, you will see an incident unfold in which a woman stabbed a man, which the incident was caught on camera and it went viral. Later on, we saw another video circulating with the woman explaining why she actually stabbed the man. Now, we found out that that woman has actually been charged. So, Chantel Freckleton, the 28-year-old woman who was seen in a viral clip allegedly stabbing a man, has been charged with unlawful wounding. Miss Freckleton is set to appear in the St. Catherine Parish Court on June 19th. The alleged assault was reported to the police on May 28th. The victim of the alleged assault was 34-year-old Kishan MacGyver Porter. Now, remember on the video that she made, she claimed that her baby father, who is Kishan MacGyver Porter, was molesting her child and also the child that they share together. Now, a police source told the Jamaica Observer this, and I quote, she did not make a police report about her child being molested. She informed the police that she and the father of the child have a dispute in the family court in Kingston, as the father of the child has filed for custody of the child. End quote.
My daughter came back with her underwear having blood, which is not the first, second, third, fourth, or fifth time this is happening. I have reported the matter to several agencies, the right authorities, and the matter is still under investigation.
Hey mama, let me tell you this. If a true the article here say, and you never make a report about the child being molested, that mean a lie you tell. You know say if I really lie you tell, you wicked fi tell a deadly lie like that. I want special place then I hell for you. Cha-cha. People, if there is more updates on this story, I'll definitely make you know. But I'm not going to cast no judgment because I never did it. And I don't know what happened. But just a base what I say a while ago after the article when I read. So if the article correct and are true, like the child is not being molested, you are a wicked girl.
She say man a wicked, but woman a Delilah.
Anyway, people, that's it for this report. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way, any other way, or the wrong way. Connect.